हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू विकास किचन। आज हम बनाने वाले हैं पेने पास्ता इन वाइट चीज़ सॉस विद वेजिटेबल्स। तो आज मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि वाइट सॉस कैसे बनाते हैं और उसको चीज़ सॉस में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं। तो उसके लिए पहले मैं बता देता हूँ मैंने क्या क्या लिया हुआ है। ऑल द रॉ स्टफ, द रॉ मटेरियल। For the vegetables, I have taken some small dice of capsicum, carrot, chop onion, chop garlic, cheese to make the cheese sauce later on. This is called studded onion. uh, I have taken some piece of cloves and just put back in the onion. This is I will use while make the white sauce. Penne pasta around 100 gram. I have taken 20 gram of refined flour and the same quantity of butter, 20 gram of butter. And for the 20 gram of flour and 20 gram of butter, I need 200 ml of milk and around 3 tablespoon of cream in it. So let's start. So we are boiling the pasta now. So for that I have taken a pot along with water. Keep the fire on high. I will add 1 tablespoon of oil in it and half tablespoon of salt. The water needs to be salty, so that is how your pasta will get seasoned. If your water is well seasoned, your pasta will get seasoned also. Now I will wait for 10 minutes, let it start boiling. Once it start boiling, I will add my pasta. Do not add the pasta in the cold water, let it start boiling and always cook the pasta for 7 to 8 minutes, not more than that. Okay, so जब तक हमारा पास्ता का पानी रेडी हो रहा है, it takes time around 10 minutes. I will start making the roux to make the white sauce. So I have taken the butter. Put the flame on low. Let it melt out. Now as you can see that butter has melted now. I will add my flour slowly. Mix together with the butter. Keep the flame low. Add the remaining flour in it and keep mixing. I will cook it for 30 seconds, not more than that, otherwise your flour will change the color. You have to keep white color. So I will cook it for further 30 minutes and it will be ready. This is called roux. So my roux is ready. I just switch off my fire and I will take it out. And now I'm making my milk hot for the white sauce. I just light the fire. Add the 200 ml of milk in it and added the studded onion. The onion stirred with the cloves. This goes in and I will wait for further 10 minutes to let it become hot. Now as you can see the water start boiling, so I will add my pasta now and I will cook it for the 7 to 8 minutes and then I will drain it out. Okay, it's been around 6 minutes. Now I will show you one trick how to check the pasta. I have taken one piece of pasta from the boiling water. I just break it in two pieces. As you can see the white ring around it. Yeah, so it means it's still raw. It needs to be cooked further 2 minutes. Once you see that white ring disappear from here, it means the pasta is cooked. immediately take it out. If you cook it for the longer time, after 8 minutes, your pasta will be broken. Okay guys, now my milk is hot now. So I will make the white sauce now. I will take out this studied onion from it and I discard it. What I will do now, I will add this white roux one by one, I mean 1 spoon at a one time in the milk, and then I just keep whisk it. This roux will help milk to get thickened. It gives the consistency, it's a thickening agent. So that is how the white sauce will become thick. So that is mixed. I will add the another one. I will whisk it again. I take all of it. You can see my sauce, the milk is become thick now. I will cook it for the 30 seconds to 1 minute. Do not cook it for the long time, otherwise it will get burned. So as you can see, the consistency is become thick. Once I cook it for the 30 seconds or 1 minute, it will get more thick. So after 1 minute, it's become a perfect white sauce. This is the plain white sauce. It's not seasoned. I haven't added any salt and pepper yet. So as for the today's recipe, I'm making the cheese sauce. So I'll add the cheese in it to make the cheese sauce. I will add some crushed pepper also, black pepper. A little bit of salt. The salt is up to your choice, how much salt you like, because I added the cheese in it. Cheese has a salt. So I just keep stir it to allow the cheese to melt with the sauce. As you can see, the cheese has melted now and it's become more thick, so your cheese sauce is ready now. Okay, so right now we are at the final step. So I've taken a kadai, 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of butter in it. I just melt it out. Now I will add my garlic, onion, do not make your garlic and onion brown as it is the Italian cuisine. So just make onion and garlic soft. I mean to say, cook it until it becomes soft. Do not overcook it, otherwise they will become brown. We're not using for the Indian cooking. Now I'll add my carrots and capsicum. I will cook it for the 1 minute, let them become soft, then I add my white sauce in it. After 1 minute, my all vegetables, garlic, onion, carrot, capsicum become soft. I will add the white sauce now. Mix it. So guys, after just mix it within 30 seconds, I will add my cream in it to make it more rich. Whisk it. You can see the color is changed, become more whiter. I'll add my pasta in it. Just mix together. Okay, so all the sauce is mixed up with the pasta. I sprinkle some cheese on top and some more black pepper. Just mix together. You can add parsley in it. If you want to add the herbs in it, you can use parsley. Do not use the coriander. Parsley is goes very well with the pasta, especially with the white pasta. You can add more cheese if you like more cheesy pasta. So this my pasta is ready to enjoy and ready to serve in the plate now. Okay everybody, so here we have our plated pasta, creamy cheese pasta with the vegetables, which is very easy to make and really tasty. So I must say that you will try it at home. So thank you for watching and thank you for your time.